ESPN. It was 11 seconds into. He played for Boston too, or some big school.
How does that work?
20 years, 20 years, 11 seconds. First time. He won't find anything in the guy fan. He just like, if you watch how he hit, you like, okay.
Look behind the net.
In one.
Yeah, okay. One video on it.
Fucking. That's just crazy.
I'll take 1 or 2 hard shots, and like you can hear me coming on. That's it.
I may have looked at it.
You don't have to skate. You both know how to
Yeah,
skate.
yeah, but in case like, you know, maybe the skating is tight or something you can't stop. And look at Gensel. Gensel is a beast, but like, he couldn't do anything. Like, he scored a goal and
I don't trust him. Sometimes when I tournament, they just let it out.
you're not going that fast years. I understand. See him. He doesn't know what's going on.
I never realized that. Race to us.
See, he's shooting.
That's true. I know. So good for now.
At least, you know, maybe go.
He shooting, man.
How did it go? It's all.
You look at this, man. Am I not that big? The easels.
His arms are hell about the same.
But kind of top right. Right across the
This looks small. You're really big. That's actually pretty wide too. Here's my I hate it, but it works. What did you say? Huh? Whatever. They're gonna shoot somewhere. That's what they say.
Well, that's probably the best,
What's so funny?
As soon as I said it, exactly, I snapped up here. Very.
You heard the word shoot. I got some. There you go. Passes to you guys. I can fucking do both viewers. He's playing defense. He never played defense. He playing defense against you. I'm trying to understand the middle of the ice for a Fred.
He doing the same thing. Frustration.
That's where you guys are both playing hard fucking deep. I'm just. Well, I got to do that thing. We got it on digital media. Digital media. Listen, you haven't realized anytime we're not doing it, shut the fuck up. Here knows I got swing guards on, so it's happening.
Right.
You can just stand right here. Got a super long stick, fucking sharp. Stand in the middle. Face this side.
He called me Char. I think we're absolutely Char. But then that's all sweetheart. We're doing some time out here.
How you keep sticking a leg on that one stop right in the middle?
sir.
I have like a fucking spider right in there. You crushed it. It was just
Yeah, I can't do it. It's longer.
I didn't.
You're good.
I don't know who you are.
I think you've understood that. Most of the stuff I try to do doesn't work. So I try to be opposite.
Real. I know when you bring that.
I hate to go back to using our. I'll be honest, I hate anything around my head.
You myself compares. You to me.
So, if you hit this, you get a good game going.
Power ball. He's ready.